Alright, here's a quick demo of the Sears kenemore Kwik sweep, which I got out of a dumpster. I'm not out of a dumpster, but someone's going to throw it out, so they gave it to me. So Sears kenemore Kwik test, I guess you could say, or whatever. Vacuum in my room quick. It is loud, so be prepared. I haven't ran this forever, but here we go. One will be low speed. I'll first have it on low speed, then I'll turn it up to high speed. So, oh yeah, I forgot it actually ain't that loud, but this is low speed. Now here's high speed. This was out with some of the very first, brief history on this, quick. This is out with some of the very first stick vacs they were coming out with that were actually motor powered. They did have ones like this, but they were push. But this was some of their first like hard floor stick type vacuums. So, my opinion, even though I love vacuums, it's easier just to get a broom and sweep it into a pile and then clean it up. But my opinion, it's really just much more easy to get a broom. But there's a video for you. Quick demo of the kenemore Kwik sweep, the Sears kenemore Kwik sweep. So that's it for you.